Vincenzo'S Gold Crypto Investing and a quick morning update. And then I got to get started my work day here into the trailer after our little lovely safety meeting and blah, 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 blah. So this is going to be very brief. And we can see we're just going to go over the current price and where we're at in the market. You can see that I believe last night when we talked, we were down in here somewhere, got a little pump, but got rejected. And now we're sitting just below two major areas of support or resistance. And if you want to be bullish, got to get back on top of that yellow descending line and the red horizontal line and try to trade back up. And that's at 19,893. And the underneath support is down here at this green ring that we went over last night. Of course, it's not going to let me hit it to make it bigger, because that's just the way TradingView fucking rolls, baby. There it is. That major green ring right there. I should have put the color up. There we go. See it right there, that beautiful green ring. You can see we hit it back here, right? We hit it back there. And then we hit it right here. And then we briefly almost touched it right there. That is your major underneath support. And if we break that, you're going to 17,459. And now you're starting to see all these moon boys in the cryptocurrency sphere say we've diagnosed a pattern and we have a downside target of $13,000. You know, I wonder where you guys heard that first, right? Old Vincenzo's been preaching a $13,000 underneath target for 6 months, and now all these moon boys are finally starting to acknowledge we're in a bear market, right? You can see that at $13,000. Prediction made when BTC was 63,336 and rising, right? Now everybody's coming on board that we're coming down to $13,000, but they didn't give you much of a heads up. It's not a very bold call to say we're going to come down to $13,000 when the price is sitting at $18,000, $19,000 and looking extremely bearish, right? So these moon boys, like Carl from the Moon and the rest of these shysters, they had not a clue that the price was coming down this far. And old Vincenzo's been warning you this since the price was at 63,000, telling you to take profit and sit on the sidelines and wait for better buying opportunities, right? But all these moon boys thought it was going to be at 100K right now, 150, 200K. And now they're making their bold predictions that it's going to $13,000 when the price is already way down. You can see Bitcoin or Dogecoin is below major support or resistance at that 6.5 3/4 cents, and it's got a downside short-term target of about 4.5 cents. So we're going to watch out for that. XLM is about to hit that 7.5 to 8.5. The blue ring's about 8.5, 8 3/4 support. Trading into it. See, it's trading into it right here. And then the major underneath support is down here at about 7 cents. So we're going to watch out for that. And then we'll finish with XRP. You can see we're sitting just above that white support zone. See that? It's kind of faded out. That white support box. And if you break that, you're going to come down to that 22 or 18 to 20 cent target. Again, another target that old Vincenzo, one of the only one in the trading sphere to predict that up there when the price was way up in there, right? I was telling you we had a downside target with this symmetrical triangle with a technical targeted move from the top to the bottom to the point of a breakout, right? And this is how super simple and easy this was. And I was the whole time in deep belief that this was going to break down, and you can see right where that downside target is. And I thought it was going to do it a little sooner, so it would have hit that green ring, but it's doing it a little later, so it's going to come down probably down in here in the next couple of weeks. Like, subscribe, and share to Vincenzo's Go Crypto Investing. Peace and love. Peace and love.